It's all about earning passive income in crypto. So now we're going to look at staking and restaking. So staking is different from restaking because restaking is the newer method of staking. So staking is actually locking up your tokens and is limited to different chains, and you don't have to, most times you don't reuse the reward you got from it. The most popular platform for staking is Lido platform. So now we're going to look at staking, Lido institution and all that. You're going to look at stake it. Let's see, connect your wallet. Let's try. So these are better ways to use your assets instead of just allowing them to lie fallow, and these are safer ways. These are safer ways to keep your assets, other than just letting them stay there, and most times you're tempted to sell. But once you lock up these assets here, you have 4% APR, annual percentage return. So by the end of the year, no matter depending on the amount of ETH you locked, you receive 4% APR. And this is not only that, maybe most times airdrops come from these sites and all those stuff. So here, let's assume we have 10 ETH. Entered ETH amount exceed your available balance. So depending on the amount of ETH you want to stake, this is way to earn passively in cryptocurrency. Staking using Lido Finance. I mean, it's the safest way to do this. So for the restaking part of it, we talk about EigenLayer. EigenLayer did some airdrops in the past, and it dropped a lot of people. But then it was only the airdrops were gotten by the, let's say the best of the best, people that have enough ETH to stake. So if you are an ETH whale, or somebody that you have a little amount of ETH and you want to receive multiple assets you can use in different protocols, you can actually come here and stake your ETH. For the restaking now, you click here. These are actually forms of stuff you can to show you the asset you have and how you can stake it. You understand? So but right now I have 0 assets, but in case you come here and you want to natively stake ETH, that's the normal ETH, you want to stake ETH, you have reward tokens. These reward tokens are actually showing you, let's load a bit so you can see the reward tokens you'll be getting, and these reward tokens can be reused in other platforms, in other reward platforms that you can, after staking your ETH you get reward tokens. Then you can also restake the reward tokens for more this thing. But the problem with this restaking is that it is more risky than just staking your assets, because restaked assets are more volatile. Some assets, when you're buying wrapped assets, is more volatile than the main assets, because whenever there is a problem on the DEX or anywhere, it tends to affect the price more than the normal asset you're buying. So most times, if you're not aiming for higher rewards or diversification and aiming for more rewards, it's just better to stake it with Lido and lock up your ETH there and let it be there for as long as you want to keep it there. So it's just easier and better just receiving your APR and all that stuff. So but restaking is the newer method of staking.